Hello, everyone. If you love your Shih Tzu as much as we do, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about something super important, signs of digestive health problems in your Shih Tzu. And don't worry, we'll explain everything in a very simple way so that even a child can understand. Have you noticed that your Shih Tzu is vomiting, has diarrhea, or doesn't want to eat? Or maybe he's losing weight, and you don't know why. These can be signs that something is wrong with his digestion. But don't worry. We're here to help you better understand these signs and know when it's time to take your furry friend to the vet. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive all our tips and care for your pet. Here, you'll find lots of useful information to keep your Shih Tzu healthy and happy. So, grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's discover together how to take care of your Shih Tzu's digestive health. I'm sure that by the end of this video, you'll be much more prepared to identify any problems and act quickly. Let's go! Pay attention if your Shih Tzu vomits frequently, especially after meals. This could be a sign that something is not right in his stomach or intestines. When a dog vomits, it could be because he ate something that doesn't agree with him, he may have an infection, or even a more serious issue. Therefore, it's very important to observe how he's feeling and act quickly if you notice he's not well. Vomiting is when the food your Shih Tzu ate comes back up through the mouth. Sometimes, this can happen occasionally and not be something to worry about, like when he eats too quickly or ingests something he shouldn't. But if it happens frequently, it could be a sign that something is wrong. Your Shih Tzu's digestive system is very delicate and can be easily affected by various factors. He might have eaten something spoiled, could have an infection, or even a more serious problem like a disease. When you notice that your Shih Tzu is vomiting a lot, it's important to also pay attention to other signs. See if he's eating less, if he seems sad, or if he has any other symptoms like diarrhea. If you notice he's different from normal, it's a good idea to take him to the vet. The vet will examine your pet and may recommend some tests to find out what's going on. They might prescribe medications to help improve his condition or suggest changes in his diet. To help prevent your Shih Tzu from vomiting, try to give him appropriate food and avoid feeding him anything that could be harmful. It's also important not to let him eat things from the floor or trash, as this can cause issues. If he tends to eat too quickly, you can divide his meals into smaller portions throughout the day or use a special bowl designed to slow down his eating. If he continues to vomit or if you're concerned, don't hesitate to seek help from the vet. They are animals' best friends and know exactly how to help. When your Shih Tzu has diarrhea, it means his stool is loose or watery and he needs to go to the bathroom more frequently than normal. This can be a sign that something is not right with his digestive system. It could be that he ate something that didn't agree with him or he has an infection. It's important to pay attention to these signs to ensure your pet stays healthy and happy. Diarrhea can occur for several reasons. Sometimes, it's because the dog ate something he shouldn't have, like spoiled food or something from the floor. Other times, it could be a reaction to a change in diet. If you recently changed your Shih Tzu's food, this can cause diarrhea as his body adjusts to the new food. Infections can also be a cause, which can come from bacteria, viruses, or parasites. If he drank dirty water or had contact with another sick animal, this can also cause diarrhea. When you notice that your Shih Tzu has diarrhea, observe any other signs he may be showing. See if he's eating less, if he's quieter than usual, or if he appears to be in pain. If he's vomiting along with diarrhea, this is an even bigger warning sign. Diarrhea can cause him to lose a lot of fluid and become dehydrated, which is very dangerous for dogs. To help your Shih Tzu feel better, you can try offering him a bland diet, such as boiled rice and unseasoned chicken. This can help calm his stomach. It's also important to ensure he drinks plenty of water to prevent dehydration. If the diarrhea continues for more than a day or if he seems very ill, take him to the vet. The vet can examine your pet and prescribe the right medications to help stop the diarrhea and treat any infection. To prevent diarrhea, always give your Shih Tzu a proper diet and avoid feeding him anything that could be harmful. Don't let him eat things from the floor or trash, and be cautious when introducing new foods into his diet. Always keep fresh, clean water available for him to drink. If your Shih Tzu is having difficulty pooping, or if his poop is very hard and dry, this could be a sign of constipation. Constipation occurs when the dog can't pass stool properly, which can be very uncomfortable for him. When a Shih Tzu is constipated, he may try to poop several times but only pass a little or nothing at all. This can leave him frustrated and even in pain. There are several reasons why a dog may become constipated. It could be that he's not drinking enough water, as water helps keep stool soft. It could also be that he's not getting enough fiber in his diet. Fiber is important for helping stool move through the intestines. Sometimes, constipation can occur if he ate something he shouldn't have, like a toy or a piece of bone, which could be blocking his intestines. Lack of exercise can also cause constipation, as a dog's intestines may move more slowly if he doesn't move around much. If you notice that your Shih Tzu is constipated, it's important to help him. First, try giving him more water to drink and see if that improves the situation. You can also try giving him foods that are high in fiber, such as cooked pumpkin without seasoning. If he continues to have difficulty, or if it seems like he's in pain, it's very important to take him to the vet. The vet will examine your pet and may prescribe medications or other treatments to help his intestines function better. Constipation isn't just uncomfortable. If left untreated, it can cause other health problems. It can cause the dog's intestines to become overly full, which can be dangerous. It can also lead to bloating and stomach pain. Therefore, never ignore signs of constipation and always seek help if your Shih Tzu is having trouble pooping. To prevent constipation, always give your Shih Tzu a balanced diet with plenty of fiber and lots of water. Make sure he gets plenty of exercise every day to keep his intestines functioning well. And, of course, keep an eye on him to make sure he's not eating things he shouldn't be. When a dog loses appetite or refuses to eat, it could be because he is feeling some discomfort in his stomach or even because he is sick. It's very important to closely monitor your Shih Tzu's eating habits to ensure he is healthy and happy. Lack of appetite can happen for various reasons. Sometimes, it could be something simple like not liking the taste of the food. But it could also be a sign of digestive problems, such as stomach pain or indigestion. Other times, lack of appetite could be caused by something more serious, like an infection, pain elsewhere in the body, or even stress. If your Shih Tzu isn't eating and also seems sad, tired, or shows other symptoms, it's important to pay attention. If you notice that your Shih Tzu isn't eating as usual, try a few things to see if he improves. First, check if the food is fresh and aromatic, because sometimes they can be picky about the smell of food. Try offering different foods, like cooked chicken or a bit of rice, to see if he becomes interested in eating. Make sure the water bowl is always filled with fresh water, as lack of water can also cause loss of appetite. If he continues not eating for more than a day or appears very weak, take him to the vet. The vet can examine your pet and perform tests to find out why he isn't eating. Sometimes, medications or dietary changes may be needed to help your Shih Tzu start eating normally again. To prevent loss of appetite, always offer a balanced diet and maintain a feeding routine. Avoid giving too many treats or human foods, as this can make him lose interest in dog food. Keep a calm environment with minimal stress, as dogs can also lose their appetite when they are anxious or scared. When your Shih Tzu starts losing weight without any apparent reason, it's a sign that something may be wrong. If he's losing weight even without changes in diet or exercise, it could indicate that he's not properly absorbing nutrients. It's very important to pay attention to these signs because weight loss can be related to digestive issues or other health concerns. There are several reasons why a dog may lose weight. It could be that he has a problem in the stomach or intestines, which prevents him from properly utilizing the food he eats. This can happen if he has an infection, parasites, or even intestinal inflammation. It could also be a sign of more serious problems, such as kidney or liver disease, which affect how the body processes food. In some cases, weight loss could be related to dental issues, which cause pain while eating and therefore lead to reduced food intake. If you notice that your Shih Tzu is losing weight, it's important to observe any other signs he may be showing. See if he's eating less, vomiting, having diarrhea, or if he seems sad and tired. All of these signs can help understand what's going on. Even if he appears to be fine otherwise, weight loss is a warning sign that should not be ignored. To help your Shih Tzu, take him to the vet as soon as possible. The vet will examine your pet and may recommend some tests to determine the cause of the weight loss. Depending on the findings, they may recommend a specific treatment, such as medications or a diet change. Sometimes, it may be necessary to provide more nutritious foods or supplements to help the dog gain weight in a healthy manner. In the meantime, you can try offering more enticing foods to see if he eats better. Foods like cooked chicken, rice, or a special diet for dogs with digestive issues may help. Make sure he has access to fresh water at all times and is in a calm and comfortable environment. If your Shih Tzu's belly is visibly swollen or he shows discomfort when touched in that area, it's important to pay attention, as this could be a sign of problems. When a dog's belly becomes swollen, it can be due to various reasons such as gas, obstructions, or other serious digestive issues. It's essential to observe these signs to ensure your pet is healthy and comfortable. Abdominal swelling can occur for several reasons. Sometimes, it's because the Shih Tzu ate something that caused a lot of gas in his stomach. This can happen if he eats too quickly or ingests foods that are not suitable for him. It can also be caused by obstructions, which occur when something blocks the dog's intestine, such as a small toy or bone. Additionally, more serious issues like liver or heart problems can also cause abdominal swelling. If your Shih Tzu has a swollen belly, observe how he is behaving. See if he's eating less, appears to be in pain, or is attempting to vomit. If he's lying down more than usual or avoiding play, this could also be a sign that he's not feeling well. Gently touch his belly to see if he reacts with discomfort or pain. If he's very sensitive in that area, it's important to seek help immediately. Take your Shih Tzu to the vet as soon as possible. The vet can perform a physical exam and possibly some tests to determine the cause of the swelling. Depending on what is found, they may recommend specific treatment such as medications to relieve gas or even surgery if there's a severe obstruction. While waiting to see the vet, try to keep your pet comfortable and avoid giving foods that could worsen the situation. To prevent abdominal swelling, always give your Shih Tzu a proper diet and avoid feeding foods that can cause gas. Divide meals into smaller portions throughout the day to prevent him from eating too much at once. Additionally, keep small objects out of his reach to prevent him from swallowing something that could cause an obstruction. If your Shih Tzu is passing a lot of gas, it can be uncomfortable for both him and you. While it's normal for dogs to have some gas, excessive flatulence can be a sign that something isn't right with his digestion. Paying attention to this behavior can help ensure he is healthy and happy. Excessive flatulence can be caused by several things. Sometimes, it's because he's eating too quickly and swallowing too much air along with his food. It can also be due to eating foods that are not suitable for him. Certain types of food can cause more gas, such as high-fiber foods or those high in fat. Another common cause may be a sudden change in diet, which can leave his stomach sensitive. If you notice that your Shih Tzu is passing a lot of gas, observe what he's eating. Try to avoid giving foods that can cause gas, like broccoli, cauliflower, or very fatty foods. Instead, offer a balanced diet with high-quality kibble, and if possible, divide meals into smaller portions throughout the day. This can help reduce the amount of air he swallows while eating. It's also important to pay attention to other signs. See if he's eating well, if he doesn't have any stomach pain or discomfort, and if his stools are normal. If he has other symptoms like diarrhea or vomiting, it's a good idea to take him to the vet. The vet can examine your Shih Tzu and provide tips on the best diet for him, as well as check for any more serious health issues. Sometimes, adding probiotics to your Shih Tzu's diet can help improve digestion and reduce flatulence. Probiotics are good bacteria that help maintain a healthy intestine. Consult your vet before adding any supplements to your pet's diet to ensure it's safe and suitable for him. Lethargy, or lack of energy, is when a dog becomes apathetic, unwilling to play or move. This can happen for various reasons, including digestive discomfort or other health issues. It's important to pay attention to your pet's behavior to ensure he is healthy and happy. When a Shih Tzu is lethargic, he may spend more time lying down and show no interest in toys or playing with you. He may appear sad or disinterested, and may even lack enthusiasm for going on walks. Sometimes, he may have a stomach ache, which can make him feel unwell and prefer to stay still. Other times, it could be something more serious, like an infection, causing him to lose energy and enthusiasm. If you notice your Shih Tzu is lethargic, Observe any other signs he may be showing. Check if he's eating and drinking normally, if his stools are normal, and if he's not vomiting. These signs can help identify if there's a digestive issue or another health condition that needs attention. If he's exhibiting other symptoms along with lethargy, it's important to take him to the vet as soon as possible. To help your Shih Tzu feel better, try to keep him comfortable and provide plenty of fresh water for him to drink. You can try giving him a lighter, easily digestible meal like boiled chicken and plain rice. This can help alleviate any stomach discomfort and provide more energy for him. However, if the lethargy continues for more than a day or if he seems very ill, seek veterinary assistance. The vet can examine your Shih Tzu and conduct tests to determine the cause of the lethargy. Depending on the findings, they may recommend specific treatment or dietary changes. Sometimes, medication may be necessary to help your pet recover and regain his active and playful behavior. If you notice any of these signs in your Shih Tzu, such as lack of energy, swollen belly, weight loss, loss of appetite, or excessive gas, it's important to seek veterinary attention. The vet can help determine what's going on and how to treat your pet. Take good care of your furry friend by paying attention to how they're feeling and doing whatever it takes to keep them healthy. When you take good care of your Shih Tzu, they'll be a happy and healthy companion for many years. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on pet care. By subscribing, you'll receive all our tips and tricks to ensure your Shih Tzu is always well. Give this video a like if you found the information helpful and click the bell icon to not miss any updates. We want to help you take care of your Shih Tzu in the best way possible, and with your likes and subscriptions, we can continue bringing more videos to you. Care for your Shih Tzu with love and attention, and they will always be a loyal and happy friend. Until next time, keep following our pet care tips.